YouTube, what's good? Back with another video. Today we're gonna go through the different exhaust sounds, through the different modes on the Vette today. So here we go. To start up, it's always in tour mode. You can't start it up in sport mode, unfortunately. So it's not as loud as it typically would be for the startup. Hold both of these down, press the gas, rev it a little bit. Hold on, that's tour mode. And we're gonna go to sport. We're gonna do the same thing. All right, big difference. Now we're gonna go to we'll go to track mode. Ready, just stress me. Gonna hold both down. Gonna do the same thing. I kind of like sport mode, to be honest with you. Let me go back to tour. Yeah, definitely not as loud. Sport. Yeah, definitely big difference. Alright, now we're gonna go to Z mode. Alright. I got my Z. I'll show you. So I got steering, sport, engine and sport, engine sound, sport, braking, track. So it's like real sensitive. I guess I can show you all of these. So the Z mode lets you customize like how you want it. You can like slide it up or down. So yeah, I think I had it like this. Yeah. So Z mode. Ooh. Oh yeah. Z mode is definitely it. That's definitely it. Hold on, let me go back to tour. I'm in track. Weather mode is for like rain. It's basically like tour. Sport mode one more time. Ooh. Z mode. Wait, hold on, sorry. Yeah. Z mode is it. That's it right there. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.